it's Sabia from Oldham Volkswagen, and here we have some fantastic approved used stock. This is the BMW X1 1.5 18i MSport that's currently available at Oldham Volkswagen. This car does come with flexible finance packages available, so to get yourself a tailored finance quote or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We'll be more than happy to provide more information on the vehicle. This video tour will host a 360 walk around alongside a second part segment. Now the 18-inch alloy wheels that are light M double spoke styled really does complement the exterior finish very well, and the wing mirrors do manually fold in when locked to provide extra safety to the vehicle, ensuring you minimise the risk of damaging them in any way. Following on, we can see the BMW X1 really does have some classy interior, and we can also see the armrest at the back there with the cup holders and ISO fixed points, which makes this car perfect for families. Not only this, we do have a lot of space at the back there, leaving your passengers with a lot of legroom. Now the exterior finish really does contrast well with the 18-inch alloy wheels. Now as we access the boot directly, you'll notice it does have an electric tailgate operation, which is very useful when you've got your hands full. Now onto the boot, we do have a pretty spacious boot size, large enough to fit stuff like prams or your shopping bags, and we also have the additional storage space underneath there. Now this classic car is available at Oldham Volkswagen and does only have 2 previous owners, so you can be rest assured as it's been well maintained during its life cycle. Now as we access the front of the car directly, you'll notice we have that jam-packed car filled with fantastic features around you. You can see more in detail of the upholstery. As you can see, this car is very luxurious. And we also have the front sports seats, offering you and your front passengers that comfortable driving experience. So thank you for watching the first part of the video tour of the BMW X1 that's currently available at Oldham Volkswagen. If you'd like to stick around, we will be having a closer look at some of the features and functions. So without further ado, let's take a look inside. Making our way inside the car, you'll notice the multifunction steering wheel does have a nice leather grip, offering you a very comfortable drive, and we have the automatic headlights there, ensuring they're always on at their correct times, alongside the window controls on the driver's door handle, all easily accessible. Now once this stunning car comes to life, we can now gain access to the dashboard display. We can see key information here like our mileage or our assist systems, and you can also see here this car does come with the heads-up display, which projects information to the driver and improves safety by using safe interaction as you have an eye-line view of the road ahead. Now over to the infotainment screen, we do have a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Now as we head into our navigation, this incredible detailed display will keep you on track to your suited destination on the best possible route. It will broaden your confidence as you can go to new locations you would never normally go to. Now we all love having a fun experience while driving, and the DAB radio keeps you entertained while you're on the move as you have a wide range of stations to choose from to keep you busy while driving on those long distances. Now you also have the ability to make hands-free calls via Bluetooth, offering you safety and full attention to your surroundings. Now this stylish car also comes with the Park Pilot, offering you confidence while driving in those tight spaces, as the front and rear sensors along with the rear view cam ensure safety, especially when manoeuvring out those busy places like shopping centres where parking can be really tight. To tailor your driving experience, there are 4 different driving modes to choose from, depending on what type of driving experience you may enjoy. We have Eco if you want to be fuel efficient, and we also have stuff like Sport and Sport Plus if you like to pick up speed a little faster. Over to our climate controls, you'll notice we have many different options available here. We can synchronise the air levels with the passengers, and the car also comes with front heated seats for you and your front passengers to enjoy, offering you a very warm, comfortable driving experience. So once again, thank you for watching. This has been the stunning BMW X1 that's currently available at Oldham Volkswagen. If you'd like to come down, have a look at the car yourself, or get yourself a tailored finance quote, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We'll be more than happy to provide more information on the vehicle.